Well, someone had to make this video, how to integrate ChatGPT into your Android application with Compose. The idea is very simple. You have a ChatGPT view, injects the view model using Hilt, loads up the views that you're going to need. Each one takes whatever it needs from the view model. This one takes the query, this one takes the response, and this button will trigger ChatGPT to go and get your result. What's happening in the get response is launches a new API object. This API key you get from signing up to ChatGPT is for free. You can use it as much as you want. Load the model ID. You can have a look at all the APIs that they offer. You can load different models, but this one is for the chat. You have a chat completion object. This is just for the chatting mechanism that you see on the website. You tell it something, it replies. You go here, choices first, message. The content of the message is what you care about. You load it into the response. The response is grabbed by GPT response. This is just a text that shows you what you need. Try it out, see if it works. Tell me a joke. Why can't a bicycle stand up by itself? Because it's too tired. Very nice. Let's do tell me another joke. Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. Very funny. It's out on GitHub right now. I pushed it. Use it, enjoy it. Let me know what you think. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.